Model, 67 plates Citroen Berlingo Partner 625 Enterprise Bluehdi Genuine Low Mileage FullMot. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 109,165. MOT, the 28th of February 2026. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, parking sensors, aircon, cruise control, 12 months MOT, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074